Hey folks, just wanted to do a quick video on one of my favorite holsters for one of my favorite revolvers, the Ruger LCR. I've been carrying this thing for a couple of years now. I love it. It's just been super reliable. It's very comfortable to carry. Definitely one of my favorite handguns that I own. Anyways, holster. This is the Phlster City Special for the LCR. I picked this up probably about 9 or 10 months ago, just looking for a good appendix holster, Kydex appendix holster for the LCR. I'm always on the lookout for solutions that work, and I've owned some of Phlster's stuff. I've owned the Classic for the G19 and G26, and it was one of my favorite holsters. So I took a chance on this and have been really, really pleased with it. Give you an idea of what it looks like in the holster. Trigger guard coverage. Just a very well-made, well-thought-out holster. It's got a pull-the-dot loop, Phlster's great strut here that really kind of helps to bring that grip in so you don't have it hanging out. With shorter holsters like this, appendix holsters, it's very easy for the grip to start leaning out over your belt line, but this one works really great. Conceals extremely well. It's very robust in terms of a holster. You know, it's well made. It's a quality piece. It's going to last a long time. Not a lot of options here. I mean, you don't really need a lot of options. It's a pretty straight ahead, straightforward holster. You can adjust the ride height with the strut here, but other than that, it's pretty much as you see it. If you're looking for an appendix holster, a Kydex appendix holster for the Ruger LCR, and they also make them for the J-frames as well, definitely check out the Phlster City Special. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon.